shit. So you guys remember Rafa? He hasn't been on my channel in a while, but it's his first time camping. We're out here. It is dark as fuck.
What the fuck going on? Oh man, I forgot. You know what's going on?
Yeah. It's okay. You could swear.
You know what the fuck going on?
So it's your first time camping, and what else is it your first time doing?
It's my first time eating a can of cream of mushrooms.
No, Campbell's?
Crackers.
Oh no.
Yeah, the Campbell's soup.
The Campbell's, yeah, the cream of mushrooms.
Fire.
Yeah.
A little bit salty. It kind of tastes like salty peanuts.
We're definitely thinking of the same mushrooms right now, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on shrooms.
Yeah.
Show the label. Guys.
What is that?
Cock bowl ginger beer.
Beer's in the name. You relapsed.
Wait. Wait. Alright, thumb more.
Use your thumb. Why'd you use your shortest finger?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a dick war.
Why does this?
I don't want to pull it. When they lock, that's fucking hilarious.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Good, nice to meet you. How you doing?
Update. How you doing?
Doing wonderful. You know, feel in tune with nature. I'm glad that I'm, you know, around with everybody. Everybody's chill. We came here all safe.
Yep.
So yeah, and we're vibing.
How are the stars?
Beautiful. I actually saw a shooting star earlier. It's like over there.
Ah, I can't see it. It's probably gone by now, huh?
Yeah.
Welcome to Xander Tells a Bedtime Story in a Tent with a lot of people, and it's fun. There's 4 teddy bears that lived on a river, and they like porridge, and it might be a book, but it's fun. Thanks.
I love that book, actually.
You can't use this, but I'm on
Dude, what the hell? It could be worse. We could have bears raiding our shit right now.
We're all surrounding Chris's car. It was like Willy Wonka, and Chris's car was the ultimate golden egg. That's what I was thinking about.
Oh.
It's the stupidest joke I've ever made.
Corey said that earlier. The goose tried to eat his sandwich out of his mouth. So we're trying to get this goose to eat a Frito out of his mouth. Come here, little fella.
I'm gonna need some more.
Gotta get a trail, like lead a trail to you.
Oh! Yeah! Yeah! I am the goose whisperer.
Ow! Fuck! Yeast tanning? It's a new lifestyle active. God damn it. He's getting on the cack.
Oh, more shit. Yeah. Oh, he's close to your teeth. Oh, he's getting. Oh! Oh!
Oh, chill, bro. Oh!
That's hilarious. All right, Chris. First time camping.
I had
How was it?
the best time of my life. It was so fucking fun. Took a shit out in the wilderness. Cooked food.
Yep.
Yeah. Saw UFOs.
I was asleep for that. But I wish I saw it.
I think we killed this trip. We did a great job.
Yep.
Job.
Ah!
Looks like a UFO.
I'm getting in there. Ah!
Alright, only reason I'm not landing this trick is I haven't had the boost yet.
You need a heli boost. Everything's possible. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Fuck yeah, thank you. Now I'm gonna land it. Right here, watch. Yep.
I like how you just chased it with the PBR.
PBR seltzer. Yep. Alright, right here. That was awesome.
My pistol like a young Drew Barrymore. Need a burner for my dick, I carry more. Got more drip than carry more. New rolling also on that 90 shit, that shit from my
Alright, what's up guys? Jubert here, reporting live. I'm gonna hand it over to my boy, Xander, for the weather.
On the forecast today, we got a hot as fuck day and a hard flip back tail to go with it. Let's get it.
Alright, Xander, man, let's see it. The forecast is correct! The forecast
Wrong because we got a hard flip back 5, but we got a hard flip back tail right here. I don't give a shit that shit was clean.
Hell yeah.
Fucking clean as shit. Well, that was a hard flip back 5 though.
That was a 5? It looked like a back tail.
Let's see what's up with the footage. Do the replay now. After review, Channel Z weather report was wrong, and we're gonna fucking fix that right now.
And now, what's on the forecast?
A lot of drinking. We're getting fucked up tonight.
Alright, what's going on guys? This is actually the end of the video. I'm so sorry to cut you guys short. This is just the rest of the footage that I captured when the boys from LA came down to visit the hometown Sacramento, where me and Sean are from. But all in all, the trip was amazing. I had so much fun with the dogs, and I hope you guys enjoyed the last video and then the rest of the stuff from this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a while since I've actually done like a talking outro. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna be pushing out a lot more videos coming up, and there's a new sloppy drop coming in this fall. Yeah. Thanks so much. Like, comment, subscribe.
Baby, tell me where you been, where you went. Baby, tell me how I'm supposed to go. Baby, I just wanna know.
Right, what do we got here? If I could open it. These are some sorry delights. A little dipping sauce right here. These are little crispy fishes, little fishies, little smelts. I think that's what it's called. It's a smelt. To give it a try. Dip old Nemo in there. Fishy, but it's good.